Alright, story of our life right here. Me and Lena in a snowstorm. Look at all the snow. Oh.
We just picked up a hitchhiker.
We just picked up a motherfucking hitchhiker.
Left her at the wrong place.
Dropped that bitch off on the side of the road. Oh, God
We're
was
the
watching
only
us.
ones that aren't in a car crash.
Yeah, look at all these
We're
cars.
surviving
Shit.
in the wilderness.
There's not many. Ooh. Yeah.
It's a blizzard out
This
here.
is intense, man.
Oh,
Yeah,
look at that
people
hitchhiker.
walking and stuff.
Hitchhikers in the far everywhere. We will come and get you, hitchhikers. And leave you.
That's how she talked too. She's like, oh, you can drop me off right here. This is okay. Oh, the further you go, the worse. Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, there are no cars. You see cars? Ooh, there might be one up there.
He's
There
gonna
are no
die
cars.
soon.
Look at all these snow. Oh. And there is Elena. Focus on driving. Oh shit. Here comes a car. There's a car. Ooh,
Go.
look at all this
Okay, turn
snow.
that thing off.
Alright.